Master the future simple tense with irregular verbs. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another video in our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: using irregular verbs in the future simple tense. Irregular verbs can be tricky, but don't worry. We'll help you master them in no time. Let's get started. Before we jump into irregular verbs, let's quickly review what we mean by future simple tense. This tense refers to something that will happen or be true at some time in the future. It's typically formed using the auxiliary verb, will, plus the base form of the main verb. For example, I will go to the store later. So, what makes a verb irregular? Unlike regular verbs, which follow a predictable pattern, like play, played, played, irregular verbs change in unpredictable ways when used in different tenses. For instance, the verb go becomes went in the past tense, not goed. When it comes to the future simple tense, though, there's some good news. Irregular verbs aren't so irregular after all. In fact, they behave just like regular verbs. You use will plus the base form of the verb, no matter whether it's regular or irregular. Let's see a few examples. I will eat breakfast soon. Eat, eaten. She will write a letter to her friend. Write, wrote, written. We will take a vacation next year. Take, took, taken. In all of these examples, even though the verbs are irregular, you simply use the base form after will. There are some common mistakes that learners sometimes make when using irregular verbs in the future simple tense. The most typical one is trying to use the past form or the past participle form of the irregular verb after will. Remember, always use the base form of the verb after will in the future simple tense. And that's it. Irregular verbs in the future simple tense are not as difficult as they might first appear. Just remember, the future simple tense always uses the auxiliary verb, will, followed by the base form of the main verb, even with irregular verbs. Practice this, and you'll soon be using irregular verbs in the future simple tense with confidence. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.